Henrietta! Henrietta!
Yes, sister.
Look at here. We got two families coming in tonight. One is from Wilmington and the other from Charleston.
Okay.
Oh, Lord. It's 4 youngers between them. Now you know what that means.
More lemon cake, a couple more quilts,
And hide the good china. Youngins.
I got that cake cooling in the kitchen right now.
Oh.
It's smelling so good in there, it's calling my name. Now you know, if them children make it here for supper time, half that cake ain't gonna make it to the table.
Well, you just let them have it. After all them miles, a slice of your lemon cake, oh, it is gonna taste like a piece of heaven.
Well, sister, I was thinking,
Mm-hmm.
this place might not be as fancy as, well, the Ritz Hotel. But I tell you what, it's got a lot of heart.
That
And
it
every
does.
brick that's been laid, they still holding strong.
And that's what counts.
Mm-hmm.
Comfort, safety, and a little dignity.
Yes.
Especially after what they have to face out there.
Mm-hmm. Charlotte, you remember this family came down here last year from Mississippi.
Oh, Lord.
And that little sweet boy whispered, "Is this the safe place?"
Henrietta, I'll never forget it.
Mm-mm.
But that's why we keep these here doors open. And that green book, oh, it means that they know they got a place to rest without fear. Look. All them their names. All them towns. Oh, but let's not forget page 35.
Okay.
Newbern Rhone Hotel. Look at that. Look.
Yes.
One little line. Oh, but it means the world.
Yes. Well, sister, sometimes folks don't just need a bed.
No, they don't.
They need a place where they can feel seen. A place they feel safe. A place where they can just breathe, if only for the night.
And that's why we built this. And every name here in our register, well, it's like a page in a story that is so much bigger than ours.
You know, sister, I was thinking, and I remember there was a fire took place back in December 1922. Whew. And I remember it because the sky had turned blood red over 5 Points.
Oh, it was called the Great Fire.
Yes, it was.
Folks was left with nothing but the clothes on their backs. But Henrietta, remember, we built this here right off the bat. And from day one, it's been meant for more than just us.
Yes. Sister, it was so sad.
I know.
I remember our people were sleeping out in tents on the street. And the church down there, St. Cyprian's, it had people sleeping on the bare floor.
I know. But not a one, remember? Not a one went hungry or cold.
Yes.
And ever since then, this here place has been more than just our home.
I think I see somebody.
Excuse me?
Marietta, you got a guest.
Evening, lady.
Evening.
My name's James Turner, and I'm hoping I found the Rhone Hotel. You see, I saw this listing here in the Green Book.
Well, you found it, Mr. Turner. And welcome to Newbern.
Thank you.
Yes. Come on up and have a seat. We got a room waiting for you. And some nice lemon cake for dessert. Your family here. Come on and sit a spell.
You don't know just how much that means. I've done been turned away, threatened, and even chased. But this here, this is a shelter in a storm. Yes, yes.
So where you headed, Mr. Turner?
You know, I'm glad you asked that. You see, I'm heading down to South Carolina, but I'm a teacher up in Richmond.
Oh, you don't say.
Yeah, love the profession. But I'm heading to South Carolina to see my sister and a newborn baby.
Oh, baby!
Yeah.
Well, we sure is glad you stopped through, Mr. Turner. Most folks around here, they try to outrun the sun.
Oh, Lord, they do. They do indeed.
Well, thanks for this here, the Green Book. Yeah. Every time I look in it and I see a listing like yours, it's an answered prayer. Yes.
And that's why we in it, Mr. Turner. So that folks like yourself
Yes.
don't have to knock on closed doors or sleep in your car.
Yes.
Every name.
Every night.
Every name in this here Green Book, it matters.
Oh, yes.
Just like every name in our register.
Oh, you know, you ladies are part of something much bigger. You see, this ain't just a hotel. No, it's a landmark. It's a landmark of hope. Yes.
And hope don't need no chandeliers.
No.
No, doesn't need a bear hop.
Okay.
No, it just need a roof,
Yes.
a welcome,
That's nice.
Thank you.
and a little bit of kindness.
Yes.
And maybe a slice or two of my good lemon cake.
Every
I'm
hour.
just saying. Well, Mr. Turner, supper's almost ready. Why don't you come on inside and rest your feet?
Yes.
Because tonight, you home. Come on inside.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm already feeling it. Yeah.
oh. I got a good pot roast cooking.
No.
Some white potatoes.
Oh.
Collard greens.
Woo.
Cornbread.
Now we hope you folks will help us to spread the word about this safe haven right here in Newbern and the mark that it's made. Y'all travel safe. And good night.